Let's do a daily stock market crash watch, shall we? Is it getting ready to collapse? Oh, hardly so. Looking at this, which is the S&P, does it really look as if we're about to fall? Now, there are reasons to be pessimistic. Reasons to be pessimistic. Historically, based on valuations, this is overextended. Geopolitically, things are quite worrying. Also, if you look at this, which is short and medium term prices, where I'm putting my arrow at the bottom over there, then what you see is that in the past, when it was at such elevated levels, it did indeed fall. Okay, history's not guaranteed to repeat itself, but it is something which might worry us. So what are the positive things? Well, the positive things are that October has a lot of ups, and certainly Santa Claus rally, November and December tend to be quite good. Equally, earnings, we're in earnings season, earnings are looking positive as well. So what would I do? Well, I certainly wouldn't be panicking today, and that's how I decide things. And we'll do a review, we'll do a webinar and the like. And if you've not signed up for all my webinars and all of those free things, go to campaignforamillion.com. There's a ton of free resources there, including one of them on submitting your email address so you're kept informed. Just if you submit your email to any of the free stuff that we have, and not all of it requires your email, like the tools don't, the pension tools, but if you do submit it for anything, then we'll send you invites to the webinars as well that I do. Okay. That's it for now. So as things stand on the 16th of October, no, we're not about to crash. Of course, could have a down day. We had that last Friday. But what I'm saying is today, I'm not looking to exit the market. Tomorrow's a different day, though, as has been famously said in a Hollywood movie. Thanks a lot.